Hey, what's going on, guys? I just simply sit back. I was tired of my natural hair, so I chopped it all off and I relaxed it. I need to go to the salon. Help me. Now I'm not just joking. It's a wig. So if you would like to see how I tame this wig, then keep watching. Sorry if I scared you in the beginning. I was scared too. I was looking like a whole different somebody, but you know you'll get tired of your hair, or you just want to put it away and you still want to look cute, or you want to press out your hair but you don't want the effects of actually getting heat damage. Just go grab a wig, do braids, but I wanted a straight look, so that's why I opted for a wig. So this is actually an old wig I got years ago from Fort Myers. I don't know the name. If I find it, I'll include it in the description box, but I'm sorry I don't have the name, but this is just a regular old bob wig. When I got the wig was straight, but there's waves and all sorts in it because I had it braided in the front. But this is how the wig looked prior to me, putting a flat iron in it and taming it. So I actually like this wig. This used to be my everyday wig when I wasn't dealing with my natural hair. So this is an old flat iron I got from Marshall. I'll include the name in the description box, but you can use any old flat iron that you have to flat iron the wig. So I'm going to try to grab large pieces. I'm not going into too much detail because I still want the wig to have a little bit texture to it. So I'm just grabbing big chunks and straightening it as I go. I get a little story for I. So when I was in Fort Myers, I did mention before that I had my hair relaxed while I was there, and then I had to cut it because it was damaged. But the cut I actually got was a bob style, and I eventually transitioned from a bob style into my natural hair. So I did get my real hair cut into a bob. I got it cut into a bob. I used to relax it. I used to do black rinses like I would say, was it every 3 months I used to go for a touch up? No, it had to have been short. I think every month or so, but between 2 and 3 months, I used to go to, I think the hair salon was Good Girls or Island Girls in Fort Myers. So I used to go there to get my relaxer, and then yeah, I love my bob cut. It was so easy to watch, so easy to take care of and detangle, and that was before I transitioned to natural hair again. I purchased this wig for what? It was $50. It's not real human hair. It can be flat iron up to 450 degrees. So I love the fact that this wig is low maintenance. You don't have to do much to make it look cute. You just gotta plop it on, straighten it out, do your edges, fix up the parting, and that's it. Easy, low maintenance hair. But while you're wearing a wig with your natural hair, you want to make sure that you're taking care of your hair underneath. Make sure it's moisturized. Make sure you're protecting it with a satin scarf or a do-rag or whatever you choose. That way the wig is not causing any unnecessary damage while you're taking a break from your hair. And quick question. For those who are watching up to this point, you might as well make sure that subscribe button is gray. Make sure that like button is blue. And make sure you hit that bell, turn on the post notification so you can get notified every time I post a video. You can take a scroll down to see what all the videos I have. Make sure you guys are caught up. I do have some really nice content for you guys. And make sure you guys comment down below what would you guys like to see. I'm open to suggestions, so comment down below and make sure the subscribe button is gray, like button is blue, and those notification is on. Help support your girl. So right now I'm just fixing the edges on the wig, not my real edges, but the edges on the wig. The wig is on my head, so I'm claiming it's my edges anyways. So I'm using N&N Beauty Edge Control, and then I topped it off with a little bit of the Got To Be, the one in the black container, just for a stronger hold, and then using my small teeth comb to help smooth those edges out. So you want to make sure you do this just to help the wig look a little bit more natural. I'm not gonna secure the entire wig. I don't think it needs to. The bang is covering that side, and then this side is covering that side, so we're good. So right now, I'm sorry that my hand is covering the whole entire shot, but I'm using concealer, one that closely resemble my scalp, and I'm just defining that part just so we can get a more cleaner, crisper, natural looking. It's a wig, so you can't get super natural, but it's still gonna look good, as natural as we're gonna get it. So you want to make sure we're not walking down the road looking all crazy. So you want to use that concealer to help define that part, and voila, look at that. You can't tell me nothing. So this is how the wig look without anything. I just flat iron it. Right now I'm gonna be going in with the got to be spray, the one in the yellow container, and the comb, and we're gonna be using that to rake the comb throughout the hair just so we can tame the frizz down a bit, get rid of the flyaways, and just for a more sleeker look. See, look at that front section look already. So you just want to spray lightly onto the comb, and then you want to comb through your hair. You don't have to run the comb all the way through, you know, just glide it on top to smooth the flyaways down. And excuse that piece that is sticking up right there. That's because I have the braid and the scarf tied right there. So these are the finished results. I finished styling, getting myself put together. You know, I sneak up on you with the makeup done. You know, I just do my eyebrows, a little mascara, eyeliner, and a little bit of lipstick, lip gloss, whatever you want to call it. And that's it. Tell me that's not cute, my little bang bang. Not the bang, the bang. All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. And remember, you are beautiful and you are loved.